Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will read class 6 subject SST unit number 1. Our first short question is, what are comets? Comets are such heavenly bodies whose interior part is made of space particles and ice, while the posterior part is made of shiny gas particles. Second question, define asteroids. Asteroids are small, airless, rocky heavenly bodies revolving around the sun. What are meteoroids? Meteoroids are solid bodies which are wandering in the space. Define light years. The distance that light can travel in 1 year is called light year. Define planet. Planet are those heavenly bodies which revolving around the sun in space. Our first long question is, what is the Milky Way? Universal matter is composed of many billion galaxies. Among those unlimited galaxies, one is known as Milky Way. Numerous stars, gases, and dust particles together constitute a galaxy. Milky Way galaxy has uncountable stars, and Sun is one of those stars. Write a note on the enormous of universe. Sun, moon, stars, planet, galaxies, materials present in space and land constitute our universe. According to the scientists, the universe was created approximately 15 to 20 billion years ago as a result of a massive explosion known as Big Bang. The universe is very wide and enormous. Its actual size is still unknown. Many unbelievable things are present in it. It is estimated that the universe extends up to 20 billion light years. Question number 2. Briefly describe 8 planets of solar system. Mercury is the nearest planet of the sun. It is fastest among all. It has no moon. Number 2. Venus. Venus is the hottest planet due to its brightness. It is also known as morning star. Venus has no moon. Number 3. Earth. Earth is only planet where life exists. It is at suitable distance from the sun. That's why its temperature is moderate. Our Earth has one moon. Mars is very close to Earth. It is also known as the red planet because its rocks, soil and sky have a red or pink in color. Mars has 2 moons. Number 5. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of solar system. It completes one rotation around its axis in 10 hours. Jupiter has 67 moons. Number 6. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet of the solar system, adorned with thousands of beautiful ringlets made of chunks of ice and rock. Saturn has 60 moons. Number 7. Uranus. It is the third largest planet of solar system. It also has rings of space particles. It has 27 moons. Number 8. Neptune. Neptune is the coldest planet. It emits all the radiations coming from the sun. That's why temperature is very low here. It has 13 moons. Describe other heavenly bodies of solar system. Besides planets, other heavenly bodies are also a part of solar systems such as dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. Explain how Sun is a star. Sun is just like other stars that we see at night. It looks so bright because it is the nearest star to Earth. It is composed of hydrogen and helium gases. Its temperature is approximately 6000 Celsius. The Sun contains more than 99% mass of the solar system. Due to its huge size, the Sun attracts everything of solar system in its magnetic field. It is a source of heat and light energy for all the planets of solar system.